In the last episode, we learned what a script is and how to insert a script into Workspace. But as you write scripts, you start to wonder, how do I check if my code is actually running correctly? In this episode, we'll learn print, a way to check whether your code is running well, and comments, which lets you leave notes in your code. Since you already learned how to insert a script in the last episode, you can jump right in and follow along. Let's start with print. Print is a function that outputs text to the output window. We'll learn exactly what a function is later. For now, just think of it as a command that runs something. To put it in perspective, it's like a quality check on a factory line while making a product, checking, did everything go right up to this point? That's exactly what print does. You use it to check whether the code has run this far and what a value actually is. Print is one of the most used tools by developers when writing code. It's simple, but incredibly useful. Next up is comments. A comment is a way to leave notes in your code. Whatever you write as a comment is completely ignored when the game runs it. It's a note meant for people to read. To put it in perspective, it's like highlighting a textbook and writing a note in the margin. The content of the book itself doesn't change, but you write it down, so it's easier to understand when you look at it again later. Comments work the same way. There are two ways to write comments, a short form for a single line and a longer form that can span multiple lines like you see on screen. Here's the key point. Print is output for checking code, and comments are notes for people that the game ignores. Let's try it right now. Open Studio and create a script. If you don't see the output window, turn it on from the View tab. Let's try print first. If you put text wrapped in double quotes inside the parentheses, it gets printed exactly as is in the output window. Let's press the play button to run it. Do you see "Hello World" showing up in the output window? Now let's print a number too. For numbers, you just put them in without quotes. If you want to print several things at once, separate them with commas. Do you see "My score is 100" showing up in the output window? Now let's try comments. Let's press play and run it. What gets printed in the output window? Only "this runs" and "this runs too" get printed, right? The lines written as comments were completely ignored. In this episode, we learned how to print values to the output window with print and how to leave notes in your code with comments. In the next episode, we'll learn about variables, boxes that hold data, and the different data types that go into them. This episode's code is in the description, so check it out there. Great work today. See you in the next episode.